There are two ways to build up your emergency fund. Yung unang paraan is what we call accumulation. Tayo mismo ang mag-iipon ng pera every single month para just in case may mangyaring masama, we are prepared to pay for it. Let's say yung monthly budget natin is 2,500 pesos. If you do this for the next 12 months, meron kang emergency fund na 30,000 pesos. But here's the question. Sa panahon ngayon, ang 30,000 pesos ba ay malaki or maliit when it comes to emergencies? Actually, maliit siya, especially pag mga big emergencies. But it is still a better solution compared to borrowing money from someone else. Yung pangalawang paraan is what we call accreditation. Instead of you saving the money, what you're going to do is to pay ang isang financial institution para just in case may mangyaring emergency, sila yung magiging financial support mo. Para mas madali, yung monthly budget pa rin natin the same, 2,500 pa rin. But instead of saving it, you are paying it. You multiply that by 12 months, 30,000 pesos yung binayaran mo. Here's the good news. Yung emergency fund mo is not worth 30,000 pesos. Rather, it is worth approximately 1 million pesos. Ang accreditation, guys, ang tawag niyan ay insurance. To clarify, I am not an insurance agent. I am just sharing our thoughts and our beliefs when it comes to finances, and one of which is insurance. In fact, we have 3 insurance policies from different companies as well. But here's the catch, sometimes when I show this illustration to people, ang iniisip kaagad nila is that, kukuha na lang ako ng insurance, hindi na ako mag-ipon ng pera for my emergency fund. Mali. Kailangan meron kang accumulation, meron ka ring accreditation. Bakit ganyan ang logic? Ang accumulation kasi is for minor emergencies. Masakit yung ulo mo, may sipon ka, may ubo ka, you go to the doctor, you pay the doctor's fee, and then magbigay siya ng reseta, bibilhin mo yung gamot, doon manggaling yung pera na gagamitin mo for the emergencies. Pero pag na-admit tayo sa hospital due to critical illness, terminal illness, pneumonia, surgery, any confinement sa hospitalization, we all know na mahal siya. Saan manggagaling yung pera? Sa insurance. So dapat itong dalawa meron pa rin tayo. Accumulation, minor emergencies, and accreditation for big emergencies.